Air mattresses are convenient for hosting guests and creating additional sleeping space, but they require special care due to their delicate materials. It's best to clean the mattress after each use, or at least monthly, and follow up with proper maintenance to prolong its life. Clean the surface with a mixture of mild soap and water, and keep the pump dust-free by storing it in a container. To tackle odors, sprinkle baking soda and vacuum it after a few minutes, and take the mattress outside periodically to eliminate moisture and mold, while isopropyl alcohol can help with mildew. Always allow the mattress to deflate naturally to prevent damage and roll it carefully for storage. Using a protective cover can further extend its lifespan, and it's crucial to store the mattress in a cool, dry place to avoid deterioration.